Hi, my name is Kerry Inkster. I'm a contemporary artist from Darwin. I just wanted to show you this piece up close. It's called Had I the Heavens. It's a piece that's been done in acrylic paint and mediums. It's of my daughter underwater. All of my art celebrates women underwater and the freedom that you feel from swimming and being underwater. If you look across this painting, you'll notice that it's been finished with a gloss varnish so that you can actually see the movement in the paint and the mediums that I've used. It's been finished in Tasmanian oak, so it's ready to hang and enjoy in any part of your home where you just want that little uplifting piece. Makes you feel happy inside. And in fact, this piece is from my series called When the Heart is Happy. I hope you enjoyed looking at that in a little bit more of a close-up, moving way so that you can see exactly what you'd be receiving if you ordered this piece.